This is Girl Collectors 21, and today I am at IKEA, and they have some Christmas stuff out for 2023. They got Christmas trees, pretty cool, and then they got some stuff over here. I don't know if they have much stuff out this year, but this is what they have so far. Just some stockings. Most of the things are glass, so we can't touch them. They got these gnomes. They're Santa gnomes. Well, IKEA doesn't really have Christmas animatronics, so... Well, my mom's thinking of taking me to Home Depot this upcoming week sometime. So I'll make a YouTube video of what they have there. Well, this is Girl Collectors 21 signing off. See you.